The loans, loan, this is a new word which concept which has evolved and changed many people's life and their lifestyle. The loans are assured payments which are given by the banks, like they take some kind of security deposit from any individuals, like their personal properties, lands, depending on their personal properties and their needs. They assure a certain amount of payment, and in every month they have to return it in a smaller amounts. So when they return it completely, again the bank will pay some kind of extra amount for them, like if they want again loan, again the loan will be sanctioned very soon. So in this way the loan process is, then how come the banks are giving loans to the individuals or the companies or the peoples or the students? It is very simple logic here. For example, we have 10 people deposited their money, and all the 10 may not withdraw at the same point of time. So we may get withdrawal of 2 to 3 people's money will be deposited every day. So out of 10 people, 2 people's or 3 people money will be deposited, will be taken back. Then the remaining 7 people's money will be used for the circulation of these loans. These 7 people, as I told you, the number is very less, is only 10. Out of 10, 70% of the deposits are not taken daily. They will be taken after a month, after 6 months, after 1 year, and some people do the fixed deposits of the amount. So they take it after 5 years or 7 years or 9 years. So these kind of amounts are used for giving loans, and they earn profit by getting interest. They provide the interest, very low rate of interest, that people also be very flexible for them to approach to the banks and ask for the loans. And these major big industrialists approach the banks and put their security deposits as their properties and everything, and they take the loans at very low rate of interest, and they build the infrastructure and provide opportunity for many lakhs of people, and they do the payments return bank to the in a small installments. In this way, the bank is not only safeguarding the deposits by taking the security deposits from the individuals for whom they are providing the loans, but also ensures that they pay back the interest, and if they don't pay back the interest or don't pay back the original amount, they will dispose the properties which are the security point, and they will get the money safe for the depositors. Again, we have the types of loans. We have heavy amount of loans for the industrialists, at the same time for the medium and the marginal farmers who have 4 acres of land, who need around some 10,000 of money. Instead of falling into the hands of the clutches of the money lenders with a very high rate of interest, they can approach the banks, they can deposit their security documents, or if not assured by the government, they also can take 10,000 to 20,000 amount for their regular needs like fertilizers, to buy the seeds and all these things, which ensures the farmers that they don't fall into the money lenders who look at the need of the farmers and increase the productivity interest at very high rate. So depending upon the need and the situation, banks also will try to act appropriately and ensure some kind of benefit is done to the society. Even for the students, they ensure that the students will get the study loans or the educational loans, which will make sure that they get the amount for them and complete their education. In the entire process of education, they need not pay any certain amount, but once the education is completed, they have to clear it in 2 years or 3 years. In this way, we have the different types of loans provided through opposite security or through the educational purpose, and we also have the loans which are provided for the SH groups or the self-help groups of women. These groups are established by the TDP government in our state, and these groups are nothing but a group of women come together and they deposit certain amount, like every month 100 rupees or 200 rupees. 10 of them deposit that amount and they put it in the bank. The bank checks the regular deposits of the money, and without any security, bank will issue an amount up to 50,000 to 1 lakh of rupees. These people, these women can take that amount and can start a small stalls, a small business in their village, and they can change their lives. They can start to turn as a small entrepreneurs or the shopkeepers, and they can pay back the interest at very low rate of interest. In this way, the banks have also initiated to bring a social change by encouraging the women to turn and form into the SHGs, and without any security deposits, they give a huge amount of loan for them and ensure that they pay back the loan, but the team members should be really confident and pay back them. If they are really good members, they can utilize this opportunity very well and change their life. Many thousands of women in AP have changed their lives by acquiring loans from the SHG groups or the self-help groups of the women. In this way, the banking process, the money has brought many changes. Even money has got transformed into many forms, and today it is ruling the entire world. So money has a vital role in our day-to-day lives.